Alright, in this video, the idea is to talk about the new horizons of the legal profession. The arrival of the pandemic significantly changed the legal profession as we know it. Lawyers replaced the paper for Word or PDF documents, and today a lawyer uses electronic signatures. Also, the discussion of a case can be made by a video call. It's amazing how quickly the legal profession has modernized. However, many years before the emergence of the pandemic, an interesting concept arose. Here we are talking about the legal tech. But what is this? Legal tech is the use of technology to provide legal services. It consists in the technology that helps lawyers to carry out professional matters. For example, here we have the legal design, the database of judicial precedents and legal doctrine, the digital signature, among others. So let's take a look to the principal advantages and positive aspects of the legal tech. In first place, it's about software or online services that reduce or eliminate the need of advice from traditional law firms. In the second bullet, it explains that the legal tech accelerates the management of tasks of lawyers, reducing cost and time. And finally, it simplifies the communication between lawyers and clients. So, in relation to this last concept, I want to explain the term of legal design. It mixes legal perspective with design thinking to improve legal processes to achieve better results. It helps to transform products from conventional or traditional to excellent and innovative. And it is related to the third topic that we talked before because legal design can help to facilitate the communication between lawyers and clients. So, how is the correct form to use legal design? Well, in first place, just using simple language. The client must understand what the lawyer says because it creates trust. And of course, this is related to the previous slide about the legalese. So, like I mentioned before, avoid the use of legalese. Second, simplify the ideas of a contract or a legal document by reducing the number of pages to two at most. Also, you can use color, typography, images, and graphics to clarify better and highlight complex concepts. So let's take a look to an example that I found from the website legaltechies.es where you can find a contract in where it was applied the legal design thinking here. So here is an example that I found when you as a lawyer need to write a document to contract the service of an influencer. So here we got the head of the contract, which contains the place, the date, and the parties of the contract who are the advertiser and the influencer. Italics and bold to highlight the parties of the contract. You can see the use of images and icons. For example, the clause tasks followed by a camera icon. Here. Also, you can appreciate the use of color in the background to highlight the importance of these classes. And finally, the document ends with two boxes where the parties must sign the document as it is indicated by the icon of a pen. As a result of the application of these tools, you can get a document that is more understandable and friendly to your client.